Uncut, what the people want.
Sure. All right, so on Leroy Smith, is there an application? All right, where's Mr. DeLeon, whenever you're ready? Oh, no, there's no application. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 002723 State versus Leroy Eugene Smith. Could I have parties announced?
Rick Mannion for the state of Texas.
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Smith.
And are you Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are not, Your Honor. We are proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causes bodily injury, family member.
No objection.
Counsel, you received all discovery and reviewed it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member as a Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Many, yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Smith, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, not allowed re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury family member. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 146 days in the Bexar County Jail. And how many days is he having?
146.
And there's a $500 fine. There are no applications. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Amari Poe and Jasmine Hunt. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
That's correct, Judge.
State?
That is the plea, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. This time, state offers into evidence, case exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, and state, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, state and defense, why should I accept this plea?
It's a good resolution to it.
I need to clear the record, Your Honor.
Yes.
With this one, we had attempted, but we had not made contact yet with the mother
Mhm.
of the child, and that is the reason for the plea as it is, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine, time and money run concurrent, 146 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Amari Poe and Jasmine Hunt. Court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we can go off the record. From reading this, you don't have the patience or the self-control to be around children and to parent children based upon what I've read here. And it appears that the only reason why this offer is being extended or was extended is because the state has been unable to contact the child's mother. So this is what I know from my time living on the planet. When you raise your hand to a child in anger, that's not a good thing, because the only thing you're teaching them is that might makes right. You're not teaching them anything. They're just learning to be afraid of you, and they're not learning anything else. And then when they go through life and they have children, they're going to say, what did my stepfather do? Right makes right. And then that's what's going to end up happening. And that's not a good thing. And then when children are young, guess what? They're going to cry. Babies, they cry. They don't know how to communicate, and that's how they communicate. They cry. Guess what? If a child cries, usually, one, they're hungry, their diapers need changing maybe, or maybe they just want to cry because they can't express themselves. And you got to be able to be patient enough to deal with that.
Judge, I would say for him that he's never been to the courthouse before. You're not going to see him again.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.